Okay, here it is. The Schartman Airlift Rattler. I love how this thing turned out. It looks a lot better than it did before, but I still kept the body pretty much how it was. I did add the black around the windows and then added the little rivets, I basically just used a Molotov pen, a really fine one. But there she is. I'm pretty happy with this. Had a few problems. I did actually put there. I did actually have plug wires going through here, but unfortunately, the top right here, you can kind of see this would hit the motor, so I ended up taking them off, which was kind of a bummer because it looked really good. But there is the frame. Got the suspension all back together. I did find I was missing a few parts. The fuel tank here should be bigger, but I didn't have a bigger one, so I just ran with that. I did add a few little minor touches to it, just to kind of make it look better, look a little more realistic. Like I've got the fuel line up to here, and then it drops down below and goes below it. Added a little wiring here for the tack. I was also unfortunately missing the back suspension. I'm hoping to find that so I can add it later. Yeah, but that's it. So thank you guys for all watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And I will have more to come soon. Thank you very much.